Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about worm drives. So this is basically what a worm drive is. It's one of these swirly pieces which controls this bigger gear. And basically what it is that you give tons of rotation power onto this and it gives much less rotations on this. It's kind of similar to like a gear 1 in a car. So the way I put it is, I put the swirly thing, I put two yellow holder pieces next to it. I put a 6 hole size into it. And I put this gear onto it, not too big gear. Along with that, I have a 5 pixel thing here, along with 3 others going here. And I also put this. This you don't really need for the original setup, but I'm gonna use it when I attach it to this motor here. So here we have the worm drive that we built. Here's my motor. I put an axle on it, and I put one of these connecting pieces here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this piece here, and I'm gonna attach it to the gear first. Okay, and once that's attached, I'm gonna actually first detach it. I'm gonna make sure this is lined up, and then this also. So if you really want to do it, I would first take this out entirely, put this in, then line it up, and put it in. And since this is just a circle on that, we're gonna need something to back that up. So I'm gonna put another one of these holsters. Okay, so when you turn on your brick, it's gonna appear like this. First, we wanna connect our worm drive with the motor. So I'm gonna take a wire. You have to go to the letter points for motors. Take one, I'm gonna plug one into D. Okay, once it's plugged in, instead of just writing a program, the way we can test our worm drive is, we go down to the 6 squares, go to motor control, and now you see options for A and D, B and C. Since we connected it to D, we're gonna use the D. So let's check it out. So as you can see, this is moving really rapidly, while this is moving much slower. Though it's all connected. Show you a back view. And that's the worm drive.